Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your AP EAP CET rank. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link you have to click on it, and then you have to scroll down below and you'll see a section of College Predictor. You have to select this, and then you have to select the course and the exam for which you want to predict your college. For example, today we will be seeing for AP EAPCT, and the course I want to do is, for example, BTech in Computer Science Engineering. And then you have to click on Find Colleges. So after that, you have to enter your rank, your reservation category, and the course and the gender. For example, my rank is A53. This is my reservation category, course, and my gender is female. And then you have to click on check results. So you can see there are in total of 215 colleges for which I qualify for, and these are the list of all the colleges you can see. So if you want to know more about the college or the course you want to do, you have to select over here, for example, and then you can see all the information regarding the course, the college, the fee structure, the exam structure, everything over here, and you can download the brochure by selecting over here. And then if you want to select the colleges, if you want to see the colleges according to your preferences, you have to select down below, that is given as filter, and then you can choose your state wise, city wise, or year wise, substream wise colleges that are available under your category, and then you have to just apply the changes and you can see all the colleges that are available. So thank you for watching, and if you have any other question you can comment down below, or you can visit the website, that is collegedunia.com.